Hey everyone! Today I want to share a super cool trick with you, how to create and use pivot tables in Google Docs. Trust me, it's a game changer for organizing and analyzing data. First, open up your Google Sheets and select the data you want to work with. Then go to the Data tab and click on Pivot Table. A new window will pop up, and this is where the magic happens. In the Pivot Table editor, you'll see rows, columns, values, and filters. Rows are like categories, columns are for subcategories, values are the data you want to analyze, and filters help you narrow down your results. Simply drag and drop your data into the appropriate sections. For example, if you want to see sales by region, drag the Region column into rows and the Sales column into values. Boom! You've got a pivot table showing sales by region. But wait, there's more. You can also customize your pivot table by adding multiple values, sorting, and even applying functions like sum, average, or count. Once you've created your pivot table, you can easily update it if your data changes. Just right-click on the table and select Refresh. Pivot tables are a powerful tool for data analysis, whether you're a student, a business owner, or just someone who loves organizing information. So give it a try and level up your data game. And that's it. Now you know how to create and use pivot tables in Google Docs. It's simple, efficient, and will make your life so much easier. Happy analyzing!